Holy smokes, the allergies are gonna win today, I think. But the half-finished project ain't gonna win. We're gonna finish this. Oh my God, I am so sore. Trust me, it looks better than just this end. Oh, she smells so good. Plug up some holes, finish a roof, finish a door. We got about 10 bucks in a day and a half into this puppy. Gonna get raped by bears. Oh gee, I wonder where George is. You drinking again, George? It ain't even noon. Let's go. Sit. Sit, both of you sit. Go back to the drink. You're your daddy's son. Come here. Oh, you're trying to get sister's food, huh? You probably could chew through that. I'm pretty sure it came from TJ Maxx. Hey. Commercial break. All right, dogs are wrangled. When your neighbor calls and asks if you're busy, you should probably lie. Going to pick up garbage. Times are tough. Can't see the gas, that's probably the best way to do it. Too much, don't even want to look.
Who puts him on top?
All right, we gotta get this couch out. We don't have a hard hat, and that doesn't look safe. Johnny says it's no problem. If this is the end, guys, I didn't go out the way I wanted to. But we still love you. All right. It's gonna get interesting. Susie, come here. Keep going, Johnny. All right, you're tight. Oh, yeah. Come get it another day, he says. What do you think about that one, girl, huh? That probably smells like cats. Oh, might be able to salvage the old outhouse. This is probably right about the size of the door for the blind. Some good stuff in there. We're gonna come back when it's not 1,000,000 degrees. And reverse put this thing together. What are you doing, dogs? Come on, you freeloader, you ain't even helping. Hey, come on now, get out of the way. Get out of the way. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh boy, we're gonna meditate here. Steady our nerves. We're not gonna spill a drop. Huh, well that puts a quick end to King George's Castle project for the day. Hasn't even started raining yet. Touched the post hole digger. Didn't rain. Shocker. Almost made it through the concrete like topsoil. One squeeze, one snap. Go to the hardware store. Yeah, I'll tell you what, when you sit on your ass all day and you want to go do something and it rains, it kind of sucks. But when you're on your feet all day doing things and it starts to rain, it don't really mind me. Huh. Been a day already. What do you say, pups? Gonna be 80 degrees in 5 minutes again? You got any Pepsi Max?
Yeah, about 10 yesterday.
You got 10? How long does that last you? 10? You drink a bottle a day? Bottle a day keeps the doctor away. What was I looking for? Oh yeah, a little Irish Spring. I've been trying that Dr. Squatch soap, but I ran out. I don't have time to wait for the order. You freeloaders sure would not be very good landscapers. Crazy. Over that tree. This is as far as we got, waiting on Johnny. Knock the chain off the chainsaw again. Trying to knock some of these knots off. The spruce is definitely heavier than cedar. Spruce, cedar. Them 2 logs probably don't weigh as much as this one. $10 don't get you what it used to anymore, Johnny. Don't even get 2 gallons. Good thing we got the 4-runner. What do you think we're getting hauling all them heavy logs? Yeah. Yeah, you know what's coming, huh?
I'm trying to pull the rods in because we got our limit. Like, look, we got 25 pounder. Look at them. And
it'll be fine by dusk cloud, I'm telling you, baby. These things eat at your bones and drive your young mind crazy.